Hi Kriegspielers, this is Umpire Lafondios. It's time to spend a few minutes with Moltke. Today we examine the fourth of 66 problems you can find in the book Moltke's Tactical Problems. The situation is your corps has defeated an enemy corps of equal size at Eisleben. The enemy has sent its cavalry southeast toward Merseburg, and its main body has retreated east toward Halle. Let me orient you to the map. Moving from left to right. Langenbogen is in the west. Niedleben is in the green circle to its east. The blue line running north to south is the Saal River. East of the river is Wormlitz, and the larger city to its northeast is Halle. The main body of the enemy has stopped just west of Halle, and the enemy rear guard has entered defensive positions in Niedleben. Your advance guard has stopped. The Corps commander has ordered one cavalry unit south to keep eyes on the retreating enemy cavalry. The Corps commander wants you to organize a vigorous pursuit of the enemy such that they cannot use the river as a defensive barrier. You have three options. 1. Report back that the enemy is too close to the river and that it is inevitable that they will be able to use it as a defensive barrier and not pursue them. 2. Press forward as rapidly as possible, destroy the enemy rear guard, and catch the enemy main body before they establish a defensive position at the river. Or 3. Move south to another part of the river, cross there, and deny the enemy the river that way. Put the video on pause so you can consider your answer to the problem. I hope that you have considered your answer carefully and have made notes so you can compare your solution to Moltke's. Prior to presenting the solution, Moltke talks about how to reorganize the Corps to achieve its objectives more efficiently. Rather than proceeding with a small advance guard and a large main body, he specifies it is more to your advantage to rejoin all of the cavalry forces together into a large screening force and keep the 2nd Division, consisting of 2 infantry brigades, as the main assault force. This gives you 2 equally sized bodies to accomplish your objective. The first step of his solution is to send the united cavalry force south rapidly to screen the following moves and establish security. The assault force of the 2nd Division moves rapidly toward the Saal River south of Halle. The engineers and pontoon sections, with a covering force of infantry from the reserve, proceeds to the river near Wormlitz to build a pontoon bridge. Once the bridge is established, the assault force can cross the river and deny the enemy the sanctuary of that river. Moltke adds, should the enemy already be retreating east toward Leipzig, he is to be attacked without delay. The Field Marshal makes the teaching point, press the flank with vigor. I hope you enjoyed this few minutes with Moltke and the lesson was useful. We'll see you out there on the Kriegspiel board.